So as I mentioned earlier on, again, we have different types of permissions. And if we all remember in our previous lesson, as we saw the users and the groups and all that, I also mentioned that we can assign these roles and all these permissions to them. But it's not just limited to the permissions, it's also about where credentials are stored. So basically, everything that we do in terms of configurations and all that would be stored somewhere, and then access will be given to certain groups of people. But these access cannot be given to every single person. There's just a few people that can have access. For example, a normal user will not be given access to, say, some kind of password credentials for our system. And so you can also assume a role to do that. But normally what will happen is that there may be a group that's created and they will be assigned these groups, they will be assigned these privileges. But some of these files that would have these credentials will be at least these three files. So the first one will be this one, which we'll be talking about the passwords. And we'll look at it very soon. This one, okay. So ideally, this one doesn't always stores the password. It will give you a clue as to what the password is or where it will be stored or whether or not it's possible to see it. But normally, this is where you may find the password normally, but that's something for a conversation. And also, this is where the groups that are created can also be found.